Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on your Xiaomi device. First, navigate to the Google Play Store on your Xiaomi phone and search for the official Gemini application. Once found, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. After installation, open the app and sign in with your Google account. This step is crucial for personalizing your experience and accessing all of Gemini's powerful features. Make sure your device's software is up to date for the best compatibility. Interacting with Gemini is straightforward and intuitive. You can simply type your queries into the chat box or use the microphone icon for voice input. Gemini can help you with a wide range of tasks, from answering complex questions to generating creative content like poems or scripts. It's also excellent for summarizing long articles or even assisting with coding challenges. Don't forget to try its multimodal features, allowing you to upload images for analysis and discussion. To truly enhance your Gemini experience on Xiaomi, dive into its settings. You can customize aspects like response style and personal information usage. Integrating Gemini with other Google services, such as Gmail or Maps, creates a powerful, unified experience. Experiment with detailed prompts. For example, ask for a 5-point summary or a short story in the style of a classic author. Also, check out available extensions to unlock even more functionalities. For a smooth Gemini experience, always ensure your Xiaomi device has a strong and stable internet connection. If you notice any slowdowns or unexpected behavior, try clearing the Gemini app's cache through your phone settings. This often resolves minor glitches. Regularly updating the application to its newest version is also crucial for accessing new features and bug fixes. Finally, take a moment to review your privacy settings within the app to control how your data is used.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.